Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agus Rianto. I was born in Bandung, Agustus 2001. I am raised in Lembang, West Bandung District. I am the first series of two brothers. In my daily life and student and farmer, my hobby is raising animals as well as and farmer coincidental. From my hobby, I can profit benefit or income at the same time. For me personally, my ideals and I businessman because I think businessman is very fine, not influenced by them, and also his personality things is it's in my daily life. I happen to be in student as well, a farmer worker, so I like to divide the time when it's time to be a student and identity as farmer. Some things when I had school time I see to study well and take advantage of that time. Something during holiday of free learning. I like to go to garden to water, freezer and or anything else. So I have two activities when there is a lecture schedule, so I go to college. But when there is no one, I go to garden as a farmer. Thanks. I like to do in my spare time. I like fishing. I like to do climb speed channels. I like watching YouTube. I like often look at Instagram. Basically, that is my spare time. I always go to the garden to take care of plants. I happen to be a farmer. Catch flower must be considered trend birds from watering ceremony and fertilization. That's what I do in my spare time. Visit that is also one to know where I live that you can visit. I happened to be in Lembang. At this time, Lembang become a tourist spot. Now there are my tourist attraction. Three are floating market. There is park and zoo. There is farmhouse. There is water and my more. Apart from tourist attraction, there are also place to eat. There is nasi lewat. There is for baso bar. And in Lembang, there is also the my McDonald and currency. They are very comprehensive or conference institution. So my advice is to try flying for souvenirs and go to the park and zoo to inspire your family. Friend. Friend is friend. There are sticker and horse. There are birds. There are also my rabbit. Don't forget when you pour souffles stuff by the frog and zoo. That's why it's go information about my life, my habits, and the place around me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.